Imagine walking into a home where the living room and dining room flow together effortlessly, creating a space that feels bright, luxurious, and professionally designed. The best part is that you don't need a mansion or an unlimited budget to achieve this elegant look. With the right layout, furniture placement, colors, and decorative details, any open-concept space can feel expensive and inviting. In today's video, we're sharing the most beautiful luxury living room and dining room combo ideas for 2026. From designer-inspired layouts to timeless decorating tips, you'll discover simple upgrades that instantly transform your home into a sophisticated retreat. Make sure to watch until the end because the final design ideas are some of the easiest ways to create a high-end look without a complete renovation. Let's kick things off by exploring one of the biggest interior design trends of 2026. Creating visual harmony between the living room and dining room. Instead of treating these spaces as isolated areas, contemporary designers are focusing on making them feel interconnected. This approach not only enhances the overall aesthetic but also promotes a sense of unity within your home. To achieve this seamless connection, consider using matching color palettes. Choose colors that complement each other, creating a cohesive look that flows from one room to the next. Soft tones and earthy shades work beautifully together. Complementary furniture styles. Select furniture pieces that share similar design elements, whether it be modern, classic, or eclectic, to maintain a harmonious visual appeal. Repeating materials. Incorporate materials such as wood, marble, or brushed metal throughout both spaces. This repetition helps to tie the rooms together, creating a sophisticated and curated feel. The power of neutrals. Neutral colors continue to dominate luxury interiors in 2026. Shades such as soft beige, warm white, greige, taupe, creamy ivory, and light stone create a calm and elegant foundation for any living or dining area. These timeless colors not only make rooms appear larger and brighter but also infuse them with a welcoming ambience. Benefits of neutral colors. Enhance space perception. Light and neutral hues can visually expand the space, making it feel more open and airy. Versatility. Neutral tones provide a versatile backdrop that allows your furniture and decorative accents to shine, enabling you to switch up decor styles easily. Timeless elegance. These shades are classic and never go out of style, ensuring your home remains chic and sophisticated for years to come. Incorporating texture for depth. To add depth and visual interest to your interiors, designers are increasingly focusing on layering different textures rather than relying solely on bold colors. This approach not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also creates a more inviting and sophisticated atmosphere. Here are some key elements to consider. Plush area rugs. A soft, plush area rug can serve as the foundation for a room, providing comfort underfoot while also adding a layer of warmth. The right rug can anchor your furniture and define the space, making it feel more cohesive. Velvet accent chairs. Incorporating velvet accent chairs introduces a touch of luxury. Their rich texture catches the light beautifully, adding depth and visual intrigue to the seating arrangement. Boucle seating. Boucle fabric, known for its loop texture, offers a unique tactile experience. It adds a layer of sophistication and can be used in various pieces, from sofas to accent chairs, enhancing the overall design. Linen curtains. Light and airy linen curtains allow natural light to filter through while providing a soft backdrop. Their texture adds an organic feel to the space, making it feel more relaxed and inviting. Natural wood furniture. The warmth of natural wood brings an earthy element to your decor. Whether it's a dining table, coffee table, or shelving unit, wood adds character and a timeless quality to your interiors. Woven baskets, these functional decor items not only offer storage solutions but also introduce a rustic charm. Woven baskets can be used to hold blankets, magazines, or even plants, adding texture and visual interest. Textured cushions, layering cushions in various fabrics, such as knits, silks, or even faux fur, can create a plush and inviting seating area. Mixing patterns and textures keeps the eye engaged and adds personality to your space. Smart furniture placement. Furniture placement is another crucial secret behind achieving expensive-looking interiors. Rather than pushing every piece against the walls, which can make a room feel sparse and uninviting, consider creating comfortable conversation areas that foster connection and warmth. Here are some tips for effective furniture arrangement. Defining spaces. Position your sofa strategically to define the living area. This not only creates a focal point but also encourages natural flow and movement throughout the space. Encouraging conversation, arrange seating in a way that promotes interaction. Placing chairs opposite the sofa or around a coffee table invites guests to engage with one another, making the space feel more inviting. Balancing the layout, ensure there is enough room to move naturally toward the dining area. This balanced arrangement makes even smaller homes feel thoughtfully designed, as it allows for easy navigation without feeling cramped. Using area rugs to define zones. Area rugs are one of the simplest yet most effective ways to define each zone in an open concept space without the need for building physical walls. Here's how to use rugs to your advantage. Creating cozy gathering spaces. A large rug placed under the living room seating instantly establishes a cozy gathering area. It visually anchors the furniture and invites people to relax and enjoy the space together. Separating dining areas. Similarly, placing another rug beneath the dining table clearly delineates the dining area. This separation helps to create distinct zones, making the overall layout feel more organized and intentional. Choosing complementary colors. Selecting rugs with complementary colors can enhance the unity of both spaces. This thoughtful choice ensures that even while the areas are defined, they still feel connected, contributing to the overall harmony of your home. By focusing on layering textures, smart furniture placement, and the strategic use of area rugs, you can create a luxurious and inviting atmosphere that feels both sophisticated and welcoming. These design principles will not only elevate your interiors but also provide a sense of comfort and elegance that is truly timeless. The importance of lighting in luxury interiors. Lighting plays a pivotal role in luxury interior design, serving not only as a functional element but also as a key component in creating ambience and enhancing the overall aesthetic. Instead of relying on a single ceiling light, a layered approach with multiple light sources can dramatically transform the atmosphere of a room. Here are some essential lighting strategies to consider. Elegant centerpieces. A stunning chandelier above the dining table acts as an elegant centerpiece, drawing the eye and adding a touch of glamour. Choose a chandelier that complements your decor style, whether it be modern, traditional, or eclectic, to create a focal point that enhances the dining experience. Layered lighting. Incorporating various types of lighting, such as floor lamps, table lamps, wall sconces, and subtle accent lighting, creates warmth and depth throughout the living area. This layered approach ensures that the space is well lit for different activities while also allowing for adjustable mood settings. Accent lighting. Use accent lighting to highlight artwork, architectural features, or decorative elements. This not only adds visual interest but also creates a welcoming environment, making the space feel more inviting and thoughtfully designed. Embracing statement lighting. In 2026, statement lighting has become especially popular, allowing homeowners to showcase their personal style while enhancing the overall design of their interiors. Here are some trending options to consider. Oversized pendant lights. These bold fixtures can serve as dramatic focal points in any room. Their scale and design can add an artistic touch, making them perfect for entryways, dining areas, or living rooms. Sculptural chandeliers. Sculptural chandeliers bring an element of artistry to your space. Their unique shapes and designs can become conversation starters while providing functional lighting. Modern glass fixtures. Glass lighting fixtures, with their transparency and elegance, can add a contemporary flair. They allow light to diffuse beautifully, creating an airy and open feel while maintaining a luxurious vibe. Choosing larger furniture for a luxurious look. One of the simplest ways to elevate the look of your home and make it appear more expensive is by choosing larger furniture pieces instead of filling the room with many smaller items. Here's how this strategy can enhance your space. Generously sized sofa. A large, comfortable sofa serves as the anchor of the living room, providing ample seating while creating a clean, luxurious appearance. Opt for high-quality fabrics and well-crafted designs to ensure both comfort and style. Beautiful dining table. A substantial dining table not only serves as a functional piece but also becomes a statement in your dining area. Selecting a table made from premium materials, such as solid wood or marble, can add elegance and sophistication. Substantial coffee table. A large coffee table can act as a centerpiece in the living room, providing both functionality and style. Choose a table that complements your seating arrangement while offering space for decorative accessories, books, or beverages. Reducing visual clutter. By opting for fewer, larger pieces, you create a more cohesive and organized look. This approach reduces visual clutter, making the space feel more open and inviting. The role of storage in achieving a polished look. Storage solutions also play a crucial role in contributing to a polished and sophisticated appearance in luxury interiors. Thoughtful storage options not only keep everyday items organized but also provide beautiful surfaces for decorative accessories. Consider the following. Built-in shelving. Custom-built shelving can be tailored to fit your space and style, offering a seamless and integrated look. Use these shelves to display curated collections, books, or decorative items, adding personality to your interiors. Sleek sideboards. A stylish sideboard in the dining area or living room serves as both storage and a surface for decorative accessories. Choose a design that complements your overall decor while providing practical storage for dining essentials or media equipment. Stylish cabinets. Opt for cabinets that combine functionality with aesthetics. Whether it's a modern design or a vintage piece, stylish cabinets can enhance the overall decor while keeping clutter at bay. Modern media units. In today's homes, media units are essential for organizing technology and entertainment items. Select a modern media unit that blends with your decor, providing a polished look while accommodating your devices and accessories. Indoor plants bring life to every room. Large olive trees, fiddle leaf figs, rubber plants, or simple arrangements of fresh greenery soften modern interiors and create a fresh, welcoming environment that feels connected to nature. If you're decorating a smaller living room and dining room combo, choose furniture with clean lines and raised legs to maintain an open appearance. Round dining tables, multifunctional furniture, mirrors, and light color palettes help maximize every square foot without sacrificing style. Finally, remember that true luxury isn't about spending the most money. It's about thoughtful design, balanced layouts, quality materials, and carefully selected details that make your home feel comfortable, functional, and beautiful every single day. We hope these luxury living room and dining room combo ideas have inspired you to create a space that feels elegant, welcoming, and timeless. Which design idea was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more luxury home decor inspiration, interior design trends, and decorating ideas that help you create a home you'll truly love. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.